chewing is often an overlooked aspect of eating. But it plays a crucial role in the digestive process and overall health. Understanding the correct way to chew food can enhance digestion, improve nutrient absorption, and promote a healthier lifestyle. This article explores the science behind chewing and outlines the best practices for optimizing this fundamental activity. The importance of chewing, or mastication, is the mechanical breakdown of food into smaller particles. This process is essential for several reasons. Digestion efficiency. Chewing increases the surface area of food, making it easier for enzymes in saliva and the stomach to break it down. Research shows that thoroughly masticated food is digested more efficiently, leading to improved nutrient absorption. Saliva production. The act of chewing stimulates the salivary glands, which produce saliva. Saliva contains enzymes like amylase that begin the digestion of carbohydrates. It also helps to lubricate food, making it easier to swallow. Satiety signals. Chewing food slowly and thoroughly helps the brain recognize fullness. Studies indicate that taking time to chew can lead to reduced calorie intake, as it allows time for the hormones that signal satiety to be released. The correct way to chew food based on scientific principles and research. Here are the recommended practices for chewing food correctly. Take smaller bites. Begin by taking smaller bites of food, which are easier to chew. This allows for a more thorough breakdown of the food and promotes better digestion. Chew thoroughly. Aim to chew each bite about 20 to 30 times before swallowing. This not only helps break down the food, but also mixes it with saliva, facilitating the digestive process. Mindful eating. Practice mindful eating by concentrating on the act of chewing. Avoid distractions such as phones or televisions. This can lead to a more enjoyable eating experience and better awareness of hunger and fullness cues. Alternate sides. Chewing on both sides of the mouth can help distribute the workload evenly and promote balanced muscle development. This is beneficial for oral health and can help prevent issues like jaw discomfort. Avoid talking while chewing. To ensure that you are chewing properly, try to avoid talking while your mouth is full. This can lead to improper chewing and swallowing, which may result in digestive issues. Sip water. Occasionally sipping small amounts of water while eating can help with the swallowing process and digestion, although it's best not to overdo it, as excessive liquid can dilute digestive enzymes. Conclusion. Chewing food correctly is a simple yet powerful practice that can significantly improve digestion and overall health. By taking smaller bites, chewing thoroughly, and practicing mindful eating, individuals can enhance their eating experience and promote better nutrient absorption. As research continues to reveal the importance of mastication, adopting these practices can lead to healthier eating habits and improved well-being. Make conscious efforts to chew mindfully, and you may notice a positive change in your digestion and satisfaction with meals.